Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an exhilarating 10-minute fitness adventure that will reshape your body and supercharge your workout routine. Have you ever wondered about the incredible transformation that high knees can bring to your life? Well, wonder no more, because today we're diving headfirst into the dynamic world of high knees. Imagine this. You're on a journey to enhance your physical fitness, and you're seeking an exercise that not only works your entire body, but also feels exhilarating and delivers quick results. That's where high knees come into play. In just a matter of weeks, you'll feel stronger, more flexible, and undoubtedly look and feel amazing. But here's the challenge. High knees need to be performed with precision. In this video, we're not only going to explore the multitude of benefits that high knees offer, but we'll also break down the art of executing them flawlessly. Proper form is key to unlocking the full potential of this exercise. Now, before we delve into the heart of the matter, let's start with a fundamental question. What exactly are high knees, and how can you do them correctly? High knees involve rhythmically lifting your knees up and down in quick succession as you alternate legs. This motion engages your core, hips, thighs, and glutes, but mastering the form is crucial to achieving the desired results. To perform high knees effectively, here's the secret. Push off your straight leg as forcefully as possible, contracting your calf muscles. But don't neglect the bent leg. Focus on driving that knee upwards towards the ceiling. Keep your belly engaged and your back straight, and don't forget to contract your arms too. This not only burns more calories, but also tones your upper body muscles. Now let's address the burning question. Can high knees help you shed unwanted pounds? The answer is a resounding yes. High knees are your potent weapon for accelerating fat burn. We'll take a deep dive into the science behind it, explaining how high knees elevate your heart rate into the anaerobic or VO2 max zone, resulting in high-intensity fat burn. But here's the magic. High knees don't just burn fat, they also build lean muscle mass in your legs and core. And more muscle mass requires more fuel, which revs up your metabolism. We'll uncover how your body taps into fat stores to fuel those growing muscles, leading to significant weight loss and a more toned physique. Now, what about the age-old question? Will high knees burn belly fat? Yes, they absolutely will. High knees are a fantastic way to burn calories, increase your heart rate, and reduce fat throughout your body, including that stubborn belly fat. We'll reveal techniques to amplify the effect by engaging your abs and targeting those problem areas effectively. But what about the myth that high knees can make your legs bulkier? Allow us to dispel that misconception. High knees promote lean muscle development, giving your legs a more sculpted appearance without adding volume. You'll discover strategies to fine-tune your results and achieve the toned, powerful legs you've always wanted. Are you ready to take your high knees game up a notch? We're about to introduce you to the world of slow high knees with ankle weights, an advanced method that strengthens your muscles by challenging them with increased resistance. We'll also explore various techniques that enable you to target different muscle groups, providing a comprehensive lower body workout that supercharges calorie burn. But high knees offer more than just physical benefits. They improve cardiovascular endurance, boost bone density, and enhance agility and coordination. You'll be amazed at how high knees elevate your overall fitness and well-being, making you more resilient to fatigue and injury. Join us as we embark on an exhilarating fitness journey, exploring the transformative effects of high knees on your body after a week of consistent practice and even after a month. From enhanced coordination to increased endurance, your holistic improvements will leave you feeling invigorated and empowered. Before we conclude this epic fitness odyssey, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video informative and inspiring. Subscribe to our channel for a treasure trove of engaging content on fitness, health, and wellness. Share your favorite thing about doing high knees in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on our fitness journeys. Are you ready to unlock your potential and become the strongest, leanest version of yourself? Start incorporating high knees into your daily routine today. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey, and until next time, keep hopping, keep pushing your limits, and keep striving for the healthier, happier you that you absolutely deserve. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.